Howz'it? I'm Kev. Last week I stacked, hovered, and laid down 3'6" Bilbo to estimate the size of the bag end entry hall. Here's the result from last time. And here's the floor plan, showing a 12-foot wide tunnel and 3 5-foot bays. This volume is about as large as a moderately sized bedroom. Now I just have to refurbish Bilbo's house. If you want to imagine this space, find a 12-foot by 15-foot room with an 8-foot ceiling, and try and imagine the side walls curved down to the floor. To imagine what Bilbo would feel in his entry hall, go into a typical 20-foot by 20-foot double car garage, but imagine the ceiling is about 12 feet high. Certainly a large and grand space for a hobbit. Thanks for watching. Press the like button.